Welcome traders. In this video I'm going to step you through the timeline view, what you can see in it and all the benefits of it. So to kick things off, to jump into it from our dashboard, we want to come over here into our menu and click our trades. So this is the timeline view and it shows all the trades you've got selected in your filter based on a chronological order. So from the top you can see the trade you took, the direction, the strategy, your entry and exit dates, along with your risk reward, your profits, and which account the trade was taken in. Below that you've got your trade summaries, you then got your tags, and then you have all your screenshots. With your screenshots you can mouse over it and use these arrows to flick through them. And down further you've got the thumbnails of all the other images, and if you click any of these it will open the image up full screen where you can then zoom around, manipulate the image and zoom in on any particular area you want to see nice and easily. From there it is just each trade one after the other. Now I really like this because it's a very simple way just to scroll through your trades when you've got some spare time and just read and review. Now you can jump in here, look at a screenshot, see what you can learn from it, see what's different, something you might have missed when you took the trade or when you originally did your analysis, and you can jot it down and move on. It's also really great when you're doing your reviews at the end of the month or the end of each week. You can come in here, chuck your filters on, you get all your trades up, and then you just scroll through them one at a time, taking down any extra notes as you go. Now like all the screens in here, the filters do come into play, so they're all at the top. You can set any different combination of filters you want to really drill down and see any particular trades. And lastly, if you need to see the full trade screen or edit any of the trade's details, you can just click on the card header and it jumps you straight into the trade detail, and then you can go from there. So there we have it guys, that is the timeline view. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments down below.